The heart-to-heart conversation cards weren't an idea we dreamt up overnight. We are a mother, daughter, and son team who wanted to bring our research home, so anyone, anywhere could create the kind of conversations that change lives. That's why heart-to-heart isn't just a card deck. It's a practice, a way to reconnect with yourself and the people you care about. We are the founders of the About My Brain Institute. For over a decade, we have researched how conversations shape leadership, trust, and belonging. We took everything we have learned from client work, neuroscience, and psychology, plus counseling techniques, and voila! We turned this into a tool anyone can use.
Here's what this makes these cards different. The prompts aren't random. With our combined experience in coaching, counseling, and design, we've seen firsthand how the right question can shift someone's perspective and open the door to real reflection. These prompts have been tested with thousands of people in coaching sessions, workshops, and leadership programs across the globe, all grounded in the I4Neuroleader methodology that powers our leadership assessments.
And that's why they land. When people explore well-being, performance, collaboration, innovation, or agility through these cards, they start connecting dots they had not noticed before. Even if someone doesn't answer in the moment, the question lingers as it nudges reflection later.
Many tell us that it stays with them for days because when good questions meet a safe space, insight turns into change, one chat at a time.
Conversations don't just connect people, they reshape the brain. They build clarity, empathy, and resilience. That's why this is a movement towards deeper connection and stronger communities. Join thousands already discovering the power of heart to heart. Get your deck now.